Hey everybody, it's Kabonster. Today I'm taking you through an iPhone 12 Pro Max back glass repair. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. And now we start what I like to call crunch time. This part of the glass, it's thick with 3 C's, but this tool is specifically designed to break it without damaging anything underneath. We'll stick it in the laser machine one more time to get the rest of the glue off. Alright. And I'll give it a nice back rub. Every phone gets a spa day at Telly. After that, all that's left is gluing it down. Just before we replace the back glass. And there we go. It's as good as new, and the ride's coming to an end. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and you'll catch me on the next one.